Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video, I have a quick little Etsy haul to share with you guys. I have been holding on to this stuff for months. So time to open it up, share with you guys so I can start using these to save for different things. So let's get started. First, I have this binder from Stuffing Budget. And it's this cute, like seafoam green color. Just love this. Did I need another binder? No, but I couldn't pass on this color. I love this color. So I'm going to put that to use for something. Next we have, let's see who we have. Steps on a Budget. Let's get this stuff out. Alright, let's see. I should have opened everything, but I didn't. Sorry about that. So we have her thank you card here with all her social on there. We have a cute little freebie here. That is really cute. And then I ordered this one that says summer. Love that. I need to use that soon. I have these cute popsicles here. So this is so you choose your own denominations. This one says $55. That's cute. And then Debt Be Gone. You know where this is going. And if you find the B, it's $10. So that is Steps on a Budget. All right, let's see, put that there. Next we have Budgeting Introvert. And her cute packaging here, just love this. How are you guys doing? We are dealing with all the smoke from Canada's wildfires. I'm about to say flowers, fires. So here in Ohio, we are getting all the smoke and stuff. It's causing the air quality to be really sucky. So like I said, this is Budget Introvert, Miss Shar. And then we have, oh, this is a cute sticker. Step by step, day by day. Yes, it is. It's so glittery and cute. Then we have this freebie here. And then, okay, yeah, I think this is everything I ordered. So we have these cute stickers here that says $80. So these are the stickers and you lay them on here. I need to start using this. It's all like summer stuff, girl. Girl. Next we have this cute bow here with strawberries. Say $75. I love that green. That is cute. That green and gold. Next we have this one that says summer. It's a scratch and roll. So you have the scratches here and a roll. Any die you want on that side. And this Feeling Berry Relax says $75. So cute. I guess I was going with like a strawberry theme when I was ordering all this stuff. All right, let's go with, I got stuff falling out everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping everything. All right, let's go with this one. I think this was so packaged cute. Oh my goodness, I don't know. Hold on. Yes, I think this was packaged in this. So cute. I like this paper. And this is from Be the Happy Turtle. And then I pull her thank you card out. So, yeah, so Be the Happy Turtle. This is this right here. And then I have, really, these were freebies here. And then I ordered this matcha menu. This says $126. I like that. That is cute. So it's a whole like menu, and you save according to what you order. I like that. Next we have is Kaylee Creations. All right. And we have this freebie here. And I believe these two are freebies also. Queen of Hearts. And then this one says $35. And there's some cute pies there. And then what I ordered was this matcha latte girly. Yes, I am. It says $72. Amounts 1 through 8. Love that. That would go good with that seafoam green binder I got. And this one is Matcha Latte Social Club. Peace, love, and matcha. Say $60. And I am a girl who love her matcha. So that is Kaylee Creations. Let's see, next we have budgeting for me. And let me see, make sure my address isn't showing. Okay, and we have this saving challenge here. It says $40. Cute little strawberries. And that's budgeting for me. And this one says sweet like strawberries, cute like me. Oh, this is a mystery, says amount 6 through 10. A little spicy. Cute. And then lastly, I have, this is from the Humble Budgeter. And I like her cute little, let me try to cover that up like that. Hopefully I didn't show you guys my address. But I love her cute little package slip like that. That is so cute. All right. Oh, look at this. Is cute too. This is cute. It says Happy Mail, the Humble Budgeter. Oh, I can't show you guys that because it has the cute little promotion code on there. Okay. So we have this freebie here. All right. Then I have, let me see. Okay, I guess I can show you guys this. So this is all her social media. Cute. And they got a cute little loyalty card there. I like that. All right. Next, I ordered this Even If the Odds Are Against You. Cute little game here. Like that. And then I'm gonna open this one first. This one says Matcha Girly. And let's see. Oh, it's cute. These are bookmarks. Living that matcha latte life. I know that's right. That is cute. And what I'm most excited about is this one. Just a Girl Who Loves Matcha Saving Challenge Mystery Pack. So this is a whole mystery pack. I love this. This is so cute. In my matcha ear. That is cute. I love this. Hold on. I don't even want to tear it open. Okay. Let's see what the mystery pack is all about. Let me put that right there. All right. Oh, okay. Let's go one by one. So we have, these are stickers. Ooh, they are. These are stickers. Everything is better with matcha. powered by yoga and matcha. Matcha, matcha. Those are cute. Next, I have this 7 challenge. It's like a roll and save. Cute. And another roll and save. Let's put that there. Next is this. So you can choose the amount for each icon. That is cute. And the same with this one. Next is, ooh, a nice little envelope here. And it's double-sided. That is cute. Oh, and it got a little design in the inside for your binder. So you can put the money in there for your 7 challenges. Next is I Love Matcha. Cute little cat. And she's drinking her matcha. Nice little mystery save there. And then this one is just a matcha girly. And basically you can just go around and save each amount. You can make this your own little game and go around. And then if you land on the same one, double it or something. I don't know. I'm just going to make a cute little game out of that. And then this one here. So this one is another like roll and save. Cute. And then this, ooh, says $100. Emotional support ice matcha. Yes, it is. Like I said, I got one this morning. So cute. So yeah, that was the Who Loves Matcha Saving Challenge pack, mystery pack from the Humble Budgeter. I just love the pink and green. Even though I'm not a pink girly, but I think those 2 colors are cute together. So yes, so thank you everyone. That's completed the haul. Thank you everyone for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. If you see anything that you like in here, if they still available, everything will be linked down below in the description box. Go show these lovely creators some love and support also. So thank you everyone, and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.